everyone, it's Dave from JD Cycle Works. Today we have something we do a lot of here, and that is just tuning bikes that come in that have been previously built. And this one here is a stunt bike that a guy has that he enjoys, just really giving it all it's got. So it's got pretty much a 103 with a Feuling, I think 543 cam upgrade on it, and it was not running very well. So I'll show you what happened after we went through and just retuned everything. And here, this bike came in at 98 foot-pounds of torque and 87 horse, and now it's up to 104 foot-pounds of torque and 92 horse. This is obviously a stock cylinder head, stock intake manifold, stock injector. It's essentially just a cam and a short little exhaust on their upgrade, but we made some nice changes. Worked on taking care of some other running issues he has with it, and hopefully he can go and run on his rear wheel up and down the road again with lots of fun and excitement. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.